We've all had problems when we've been camping with tent pegs. Now, the best thing to do is get the best tent pegs you can afford to buy. A lot of them that come with your tent or ground sheets or your awnings tend to come with these type with the blunted ends, and that's okay if the ground you're putting your tent pegs into is nice and soft and no obstruction underneath. Now, what I've tended to do is get a grinder. If you've got one, great. If not, you can get access to one, fantastic. But I've tended to put a point on these, not massive point, but just grind the edges round to a decent end. Get a point on them, and you'll find that most of them, when they do go in the ground, wherever you are, will actually make the way safely into the ground rather than buckling up and doubling and bending, which is the last thing you need when you actually get trying to get your camp set up. So just if you've got access to a grinder, great. If not, you can always use a metal file, but just take the end down a little bit. So it doesn't have anything super sharp, but just enough to give you that bit of an edge when you're going into the ground, and you'll probably find hopefully that they won't buckle as much. But as I say, if you can get the best quality ones you can afford, the thicker the better. But yeah, so if you haven't got access to a grinder like me, then a metal file should do the trick just as well. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Monkey's Uncle Dubz Club.